Hello and welcome. My name is Dion Matson and I will be your presenter today. We need to address the elephant in the room, so let's get started. Jeff is no longer with us. Jeff was a member of the committee for the last 5 years. Over the last 2 years, Jeff was accepting gifts and other perks from member companies in return for waiving membership fees and voting favorably on proposed suburban development projects in the area. He allowed himself to become embroiled in conflicts of interest. So who are we? We are the Chamber of Commerce. The goal of the Chamber of Commerce is to further the interest of business and members within a community which we serve. In fact, the first chamber ever established was founded in France in 1599. Much like the first chamber established in the United States in 1912. So what do? We provide all our members with services such as networking opportunities, publicity, making voices heard, and giving them access to discounts. But more than services and opportunities provided, we are brokers of trust. Indeed, the idea of our unwavering goal should be to hear our members describe us in the terms favorably like our word is our bond and their honor is above reproach. So, what is a conflict of interest? A conflict of interest involves a person or entity that has two relationships competing with one another for the person's loyalty. For example, the person might have a loyalty to an employer and also a loyalty to a family business. Each of these businesses accepts the person to have their best interest first. So, moving forward, what are we going to do? The Chamber of Commerce staff are no longer allowed to attend member-hosted events alone. No individual staff member can attend more than 2 individual member-hosted events in any given quarter. And some of those events may be going on a fishing trip, a barbecue, tailgating, or even a big event, like a sporting event. All meetings with individual chamber members or member companies will be attended by no less than 2 to 3 members. Under no circumstances will any staffers attend with individual chamber members or member companies alone. And all financial review will be done by a committee of at least 3, with all 3 signing off attesting to the accuracy of the documents. Are there any questions? In conclusion, we just want you to know the ongoing success of this chamber will be driven by its internal culture. Be mindful of that culture you represent and bring to each working day. Thank you.